SYTOXCAR.
The Volkswagen Beetle is an iconic car, a legend, and deeply intertwined with the history of the automotive world. After several years of absence from the market, the Beetle returns in 2025 with a fresh look that seamlessly blends modern innovation with its beloved classic heritage. Let's dive into what makes the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle so special. At first glance, the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle retains the distinctive round silhouette that has been its hallmark for decades. However, Volkswagen has added a modern twist to its exterior design, with sharper lines, futuristic LED headlights, and a more aerodynamic front grille. The new Beetle masterfully combines nostalgia with contemporary innovation. Unique wheel designs further enhance the retro-futuristic vibe, making it look fresh yet familiar to longtime fans. The 2025 Volkswagen Beetle isn't just relying on its looks to win hearts, it also delivers impressive performance, available in both a fuel-efficient turbocharged gasoline engine variant and a fully electric version for those who prefer an eco-friendly option. The Beetle provides a responsive and agile driving experience, perfect for both city streets and long-distance journeys. Volkswagen takes safety seriously. The 2025 Beetle comes equipped with a host of advanced safety features such as automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera. These features are designed to provide maximum safety for both the driver and passengers, making the Beetle not only stylish but also safe in all situations. The 2025 Volkswagen Beetle is proof that an automotive icon can evolve while maintaining the essence that made it beloved in the first place. With a design that blends the classic with the modern, a comfortable and high-tech interior, and robust, eco-friendly performance, this new Beetle is ready to turn heads once again. For fans of classic cars who want a touch of modern technology, the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle is an option that cannot be overlooked. The Beetle is back, and it's ready to become a legend in this new era.